Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to be sowing hollyhocks. Before we get going, these take a temperature to germinate between 18 and 21 degrees, and they also like direct sunlight. So these are the seeds that we collected last autumn after the hollyhocks in the front garden. So look at that, oh, beautiful. All you need to do with these, pretty simple. Once you've filled your tray with compost, just sprinkle them, try and spread them out as much as you can over the compost. Then give them a light sprinkling, just enough to cover them. Once that's done, give them a gentle pat down. Give them really good water. Put them on a well-lit windowsill, and they should germinate anywhere between 7 to 21 days. So let me know how you lot get on. Thank you very much. Bye.